We're talking about Paczki Day, people. It is time.
At Rudys Strudel and Bakery in Parma, employees are ready for the big feasting day.
We deserve this, Cleveland. This has been a rough winter. We are going to hoop it up. We're going to show them how we do it in Parma.
Rudys has been busy preparing about 50,000 of the traditional Polish and Ukrainian pastries. Orders have come in from Akron, Columbus, and Michigan. Customers have 26 sweet flavors to choose from.
2014 is revolutionary in the Paczki world.
Customers will now be able to have dinner and dessert thanks to new savory flavors with a hometown flair.
The Clevelander, which is sauerkraut and kielbasa on a Paczki. And then in honor of my hometown where I grew up, we invented the potato and cheese, 3 cheese and potato, and that's called the Parma.
At first glance, some new customers wonder, is it a donut?
No, it is not a donut. It's not even a little bit like a donut. This has more eggs. This has more butter. This has quadruple the filling.
For this dedicated group, baking is a labor of love.
We are very blessed to be in a business that makes people happy, you know, and we're happy. And I think that's the secret to it all.
And this just in, for lovers of St. Patrick's Day.
Breaking news, you heard it here first. We're going to do the West Parker cabbage and corned beef on a Paczki. We heard it first. We're going to be Polish and Irish this year.